Ina-assure lang namin na yung regular change oil, pagka-calibrate na injection pump, linis ng buong units, repaint, early warning device, case na magkaroon ng trouble. Lahat naman ng trucks na nilalabas namin, binibigyan namin sila one set of tools.
Yung mga truck namin are equipped with electric fan. Meron ding mga iba, yung mga bago nating unit na naka-air condition na rin sila para rin sa comfort ng mga drivers natin pag nasa biyahe na sila. Pag maganda yung quality ng vehicle, mas reliable siya. Pag na-dispatch na namin, 100% na makakarating siya dun sa client on time. That way, napiplease namin yung mga client namin.
Gusto rin namin na condition lagi ang sasakyan at para din sa nature natin, yung mga air pollution, diba, para mabawasan din.
Remore Corporation is a group of companies. For the vehicle maintenance, we do make sure na nag-fill up ng form yung mga drivers natin before sila i-dispatch. Kasi kailangan nila ma-check muna yung the whole unit. From the battery, lights, oil. Kung merong defect yan, kailangan nila kagad mai-coordinate dun sa supervisor na and then to the maintenance group. Bago sila umalis or paggarahe nila dito sa motor pool, required sila na maglinis together with the driver and the delivery crew. Nakakatulong sa amin yung NLEX Excellence. Hindi ka matatakot dumaan kasi alam mo safe ka. Same goes with our units. So kung ano yung drive ng NLEX, it goes with us too.
We have a designated fleet maintenance supervisor. He's responsible for overseeing the whole operations in the motor pool, such as fire extinguisher, first aid kit, warning device. We continuously disseminate these policies. Actually, we have a standard operating procedure for all our drivers that before they're dispatched from the garage, they must ensure that all the trucks are clean. We provide backrest to all of our trucks. Very simple lang yung equipment na yun, but it's a big use. Because of the physical appearance of our trucks alone, we were able to entice the attention some of the bigger clients.
Kasi they are the new buses. So pag tumatanda kasi ang bus, actually the more that they are less economical in terms of fuel. Protocol kasi dito sa Byron, pag dumating ang bus, ang driver, meron siyang pipilapan na tawag na job card. Doon niya ilalagay kung ano yung mga napapansin niyang mga diferensya ng sasakyan.
Hindi pwede naming pabiyahin ang bus kung hindi pa na-check up.
Ang mantra ko sa mga drivers at conductors, dalawa lang. Safety and economy. Wala doon yung profit. It's not because I don't want to make a profit, pero pag nalaman naman ng tao that they are safe, that's what makes us happy. Basta safe, nakarating ng matiwasay, happy na kami doon.
Nire-require namin na lahat ng aming delivery personnel na after na deliveries, sila yung maglilinis ng trucks.
Kasi pag laging malinis yung sasakyan mo, tsaka laging in good condition, syempre may edge ka na, piliin ka ng kliyente.
Every 6 months, meron kaming change oil. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Tapos, weekly check-up ng brakes.
Kasi kami, nire-require namin yung mga tao na everyday, pagdating nila sa truck holding, after nang maglinis ng mga sasakyan, kung ano man yung problema na na-encounter nila for that day, kailangan i-report nila sa maintenance para as early as that, ma-attenda ng mga mekaniko. So every day, kung ano yung nagiging problema, na-check, nagagawa. Kaya continuous na ganon, hindi kami magkakaproblema ng mabigat.
Reporting lang sila daily. Kung ano yung na-encounter nila sa delivery nila sa daan, i-report nila yun daily para sa susunod na araw, magagawa yun.